Messi go prescribe to any Liverpool fans wey go lose hope in life after Madrid comot too. Based on say Otap Pepper don cost for UK market and e come scarce.
Your father left me ash. Who tell you say Madrid go comot us from Champions League?
Oga, no dey dream na. You get put in your midfield long past Chelsea new bench wey dey under construction. How una wan take comot Real Madrid with that kind midfield?
Make I tell you something.
Oga sorry, Liverpool don comot from FA Cup after dem lose to Brighton last Sunday. Dem go jam Real Madrid for Champions League later by February and dem come dey ninth for table. E get anything wey you feel say their fans go fit take home this season?
First of all, I pity them for that FA Cup match on Sunday because na two teams them been play against that day.
How, sir?
You know hear their name? Brighton and Hoover Albino FC. Their brightness no gree Liverpool seal out for that match. And for your question proper, the only thing where Liverpool fans dey carry go house this season na depression. I even hear say the ones wey get money among them don dey go hospital en masse.
To do wetin?
Then they go put theirself inside medically induced coma. Doctor go wake them when the new season starts by August.
Jesus is Lord. True, I understand. But your own done better from now on na.
Na God work o.
Even sef, your laugh dey like big boy own wey go soon lift EPL trophy.
You don start now.
Now. Na wetin many of us wey be old players for Chelsea dey pray for now. To japa go club wey sabi wetin dem dey do.
No dey talk like that now. You when you even come Chelsea.
With the amount of players wey dey enter this club for each position ba, even if Oga Potter decide to play us turn by turn, before I reach my turn ba, we fit don go relegation come back sef.
Wow.
Na like so dem dey watch boot for a village. Wetin you mean with that question? See all these things. So common boot you no sabi wash again.
Oh my God.
See, Mbappe, this your bullying don dey too much o. Just because they manage give you seat for board of members of PSG, no mean say you go make everybody life for PSG dey miserable o. I go report you give Messi again. See, make I tell you, mind the false information wey dey comot for your mouth o. Na me get PSG now o.
What?
And you say you go report me give Messi. Who be Messi? Wetin he wan do me? Messi na person wey knack you to collect World Cup. I no blame you. Common boot you no fit wash well again. You no get value again no. I put you for say this January transfer window from 1st to 31st. Nobody even price you.
The best betting platform don't send me again no. Omo, this one is bet people. Them they give bonus for everything. Every week them go give you small percentage of wetin you take bet that week. And since you register with our promo code GNEXT, you go get 300% bonus of your first deposit. If you carry no risk bet play game, them go give you your money back if you lose. Hyper bonus nko. That one na 250% increase bonus them go give you if you carry that one win cumulative bet. And even if you don't lose plenty, them still get bonus where them go give you to take whole body. But make sure say you read their terms and conditions for every promo. And no forget to bet with sense. Thank you.
Coachy, I beg, take am easy. Them never flogged me before. My mom says
I know I hear with you on the since when you come this club. As also Michael Jackson backslide, we done the backslide since. You be smooth criminal.
No sir! No sir! Ah!
Wetin be our motto for this club?
Never walk alone, sir.
Why only us come dey street dey waka alone?
Coachy, we no dey alone no. Arsenal and Man City lose match.
You dey mad. You dey compare your result to people wey dey chill for the top. Mumu Skipo. Loneliness won't kill us. You dey compare your match week result with people wey dey pass you. Selena Gomez.
Oh my God.
Come back here. Why you think say you dey wrong go? Shebi you go still come back. Na Madioha go use baptize you, idiot. Miss World.
What?
Where in dey? He be like say him miss road o. You mean am? Yes sir. Na wow. Which kind misfortune I go by like this?
Like now, I report our club dey remain speed table, but dem still dey here.
You no go respect yourself now, abi?
Respect wetin? Una think say una go just dey anywhere for table, still dey come here?
Wetin be your problem now? You know where we go dey by end of season?
See this one wey dey spend money like yahoo boy. Na relegation una go dey.
Na you and your papa go dey there.
Hey, make una calm down. You don't break past 100 financial fair play rules. You dey do like say you no sabi wetin I dey talk.
Oh my God.
Now why they point gun for my face?
If you no answer me ba, you no go see your head again o.
How?
They carry me Joe.
Ateta, calm down.
Calm down for wetin. This guy don dey use money oppress our league since. They buy players 20 million in paper. They pay them 200 million undercover.
How you take me?
So na like this you dey do.
We never break any financial fair play rule.
We dey buy players like everybody.
One na balance sheet no con dey balance.
You never hear say this life no balance.
Come on, shut up. Answer my question, Joe.
Sometimes we dey forget to record our expenses.
Oh
Your
my
father.
God.
Chai, this life no balance, so.
No dey tell me abeg. Shoot this guy. Shoot all these oil people make we rest. Even this Yahoo Chelsea club.
Oh
Shoot all
my
of them make we
God.
start dey play fair game. Which kind of money or pressure be all this one?
Want to respect yourself, oh.
Respect wetin? Na no dey even hide their own. Na so Yahoo boys dey do. They buy everything wey no make sense.
Come now, fire your father there. Jealousy. Wait first. Who tell you say we no go make am to Champions League next season? Even if we no make am to top 4 this season, we go carry Champions League so that we go qualify automatically for next season.
You for allow me make I ask my question finish now. This thing where you talk now, na miracle wey dey capable to make Satan and repent turn to born again.
Just the watch now.
Odegaard, fear don dey take style hold me o.
Why?
You no see wetin happen? If Man City win us tomorrow, we go dey the same points and dem go dey top us for table.
That one no make now. We still get second leg with them and another outstanding match.
My own be say, e don tey wey Kochi shoot person for dis club. You know say na strikers him dey quick shoot if anything start dey spoil. What? Me I dey fear to chop bullet now o.
Blood of God. Bullets.
Now. Oh, so you no know say na bullet him dey shoot give us if we no play better ball.
Him no know na. No be this January income.
Hey, wonder shall never end.
Jorginho, Coach dey call you.
You the crazy, oh. Now me said you go bet on top Chelsea head.
No, na your mumune send me. Say, make I advise
I
you.
don't need your advice.
Mumu man, you go assemble people from all walks of life and different parts of the world to come form team play ball. You no know say back pass for one language fit mean own goal for another language.
Oh
They
my
play,
God.
just they play.
E be like say you never still understand. Since where you come this Arsenal, bad luck just dey follow us. See common Brentford where we suppose knack on a normal day. Na im VAR official go do mistake, calibrate nonsense wey make them dash Brentford offside goal, deny us our complete 3 points.
But that one no be my fault now.
Wait make I finish. Everton wey dey struggle with relegation use cross and not score us. We find equalizer from now till tomorrow. We no see. The problem no be say na you dey directly cause am. The problem na say something wey follow you come from Stamford Bridge dey block our shine. E fit be say you know wetin you carry come.
I swear I no carry anything come.
In that case, you go need to swear in front of shrine to confirm am.
Follow them drive by.
Kochi, fuel no dey o.
You think so they joke with you?
Kochi, I don old well o. This Okada wey you say make I drive, I no wan go dey shake like mumu go do accident. Kochi, I don defend against Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar, Mbappe, Haaland, Ronaldinho, Ibrahimovic, even strikers wey no get sense like Lukaku. I don defend against them. No be because of all these small boys wey you put for front go make me dey drive Okada at my age.
Breakdown? I no understand, sir.
I no expect you to understand anything. You are blend na SpongeBob flame. First of all, the guy don't change Chelsea from the Blues to that other useless blue.
Oh my
The players,
God.
some of them are not even fit to recognize them. Enzo don't turn to Enzo Paracetamol when not they cure headache. Headache one key Chelsea fans. Modric Kalia be like something we done mod. No Neymar don't turn Yahoo boy. Mouth no get mouth for Chelsea squad again. That bad guy we good small, done bad. Kokoroko not the claw again. Element make the Lila cut in here. Even Kwele done soft.
Who be Quilly?
Go ask Gogo.
I did share send a cowbell in the take a belt.
At this point, Harry Potter they use clear more Chelsea into a club where fit withstand the competition with the championship.
Mr. Man, how far now? How many chances you don't miss since you come this club?
Coach him, don't miscount him.
So even that one too, you they miss. What you know they miss for this life, sir? I sure say the go to that mistake.
Coach, no be mistake.
Shut up your mouth. Your life now today missing in action. At this rate, you go miss heaven. Miss hellfire join. Thank God say no be man they carry belle. You for the miscarriage anyhow. Only you they give Liverpool misfortune. Idiot. Selena Gomez.
Sir?
You be like say your sister defend pass you.
Oh
No
my
lie,
God.
Jesus! I know fit!
You don't dey run again.
I see Kochi they plug them for outside. They don't go lose again.
Before, now wetin them sabi do be that na.
You no follow them for the match.
I follow them but as I get injury come out for pitch, na him them go open their yansh for second half, chop 2 goals.
Kai! Chelsea don't condemn finish. Now only 10 points separate them from the relegation part.
Yes na, me I thank God say na 1 year contract I dey sign.
On how dem Jones now reach relegation, I go just jump comot for this bridge.
Wallahi, Fota no sabi work. Na only game with the guy sabi grow.
Na wetin I don dey talk since na. Him think say na only players fault. After dem buy crowd of players finish give am, him no even fit register all of them for Champions League. On top of am, him still dey lose match.
Why him no go lose match? Formation, he don confuse. Plenty players, kuma. He don confuse them join.
I hear say na magic him take dey confuse Oga Boyle make he no sack am.
Kai, na why I like Oga Abramovich. Magic, he no dey touch am. He go sack your father.
You know Sabi?
No, my name no be Sabino.
Na Champions League trophy now.
Wait oh, the Champions League wey dem dey play so. The trophy now na personal trophy.
Yes na. Na just say from time to time, if we tire to hold am, we go give am to our preferred club. Say make them help us hold am small. Later, we go still come collect our property.
You don't mean it.
Yes na.
See ba, e get one story wey I wan tell you. You know why FIFA ban India for football?
Abeg, no come dey talk yeye story, Joe. I sabi the nonsense story wey you wan talk. FIFA no ban India anything, and India no win Nigeria 99-1. Na only small pikin go believe that kind thing.
No na. If you allow me talk that story finish. Since na Tales by Moonlight all of us come Kubala show to come here today. Your own story even yeye pass that India versus Nigeria story.
So, you think say na Tales by Moonlight I tell you?
No, na Tatafo by Daylight to tell me.
Oh my God.